My name is Naliul. I'm an aircraft technician in the Royal Australian Navy. I work on engines, airframes, pretty much anything non-electrical we do. I've always been interested in aircraft, and helicopters are more, to me, I find them more challenging than a fixed wing. So if I want to do fixed wing, I would have joined the Air Force. But with the Navy, I can work on helicopters and still go out on the back of ship and travel and stuff. I'm a trade supervisor, so the ABs and Seamans, they're my tradesperson basically, and I look after them, just make sure, task them off with jobs to do. When they do, I'll look over, because I'm also signing for the job as well. I'm responsible to them to a point. The PO is responsible for me. So I've always got, if I'm in trouble, I just see the next rank higher and he'll give me a heads up where I have to go. You're never by yourself. There's always a mentor for trainees, and there's 3 levels you got to go through. You'll always have someone at least 1 level higher than you, and from there you have, which I am a Kellic, who's a supervisor of that job, and then some jobs you might even have another level again as a 3rd set of eyes for safety. So you're never alone, and you wouldn't really want to be. You've got someone to talk to, your mentor. They help you along for every step of the way. They still let you make your own mistakes, but at the same time you've got to learn from them. It's a very rewarding job. You travel a lot. If you want to, you don't have to, but there is still, if you get deployed, you will go. But there's detachments throughout the year. We do Anzac Day in Caloundra, we go to Mudgee, Anzac Day there, so yeah, wherever you want. Grand final sometimes. It's always good delivering the ball. Being a woman in the Navy, it's not a concern. You don't even notice it. You are one of the guys, pretty much. You just work, and that's it. Play the game. These guys don't know. They don't distinguish the difference. You just go in and you work. I can take this to Civilian Street. I can work for, I applied to work for Qantas, or Virgin Blue, or I can work for Sikorsky. So you just go put in your resume, and I've already got the training. All I need then is the types course, which is the aircraft specific, and that's not much. I wanted the discipline of the job, but I also want to see what I can take out of it at the same time. I think it puts me in a better spot than a lot of the guys on the Civilian Street, which have to do it, that 4 years training, where ours is much more condensed. So I get more hands-on experience by the time I do get out in the same time frame. It's a good job. You can't get this anywhere else.